Hey there, fellow motorheads. Today we're tackling the P0011 code, and let's get serious for a moment, folks. If you're seeing this code pop up on your dashboard, it's imperative that you stop driving your car immediately. This is a high-severity code that can cause serious engine damage if left unaddressed. But don't worry, we're here to help you diagnose and fix the issue before it becomes a bigger problem. So buckle up, and let's get started. What does the P0011 code mean for your car's performance? Put simply, it indicates that the bank 1 intake camshaft is more advanced than what the engine control module has commanded it to be. In other words, the camshaft is not in the correct position at the correct time, causing the engine to run less efficiently. The symptoms of the P0011 code can be as annoying as a backseat driver, too. You might experience hard starting, where the engine takes multiple attempts to turn over. Poor idle can also be a symptom, where the engine runs roughly or even stalls at idle. You might notice engine stalling during acceleration, where the engine cuts out or hesitates. And to top it off, the check engine light might be glaring at you like a disapproving parent, reminding you that something's not right. What's causing the P0011 code to mess with your engine's mojo? Here are the potential suspects. Incorrect camshaft timing. Wiring problems in intake timing control valve control solenoid system. Continuous oil flow to VCT piston chamber. And stuck open timing valve control solenoid. If the P0011 code is cramping your engine's style, here are some ways to get it back on track. 1. Reset the code and road test the vehicle to determine if the issue is persistent. 2. Change the oil and filter to the proper oil viscosity for the engine specifications. 3. Repair or replace the wiring to the camshaft oil control valve for bank 1 intake camshaft. It's like fixing a bad phone line. 4. Replace the faulty camshaft oil control valve for bank 1 intake camshaft to restore proper oil flow to the variable camshaft timing system. 5. Check the timing chain alignment for jump timing problems. Remember, if you're unsure about how to fix the P0011 code or any other engine issue, seek help from a certified mechanic. They have the tools and experience to diagnose and fix the issue. Don't hesitate to reach out for help. And if you want to search for other trouble codes, just head on over to the OBD Codex lookup tool and let it work its magic. Don't forget to hit the like button and share this video with your crew. Subscribe to our channel for more OBD2 codes content. Thanks for tuning in and keep on cruising.